In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your website password on Shopify. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard through the Shopify website using your account credentials. Once you're logged in, click Online Store from the left-hand menu. Then select Preferences. Scroll down until you find the Password Protection section. If your store is password protected, you'll see the website password displayed here. This is the password visitors need to enter before accessing your storefront. If you want to change the password, simply enter a new one in the password field and click Save. Keep in mind that this is your storefront password, not your Shopify account login password. For security reasons, Shopify does not display your account login password. If you've forgotten it, you'll need to reset it through the login page. That's it. You can quickly view or update your Shopify store password from the Online Store Preferences section. Thanks for watching.